If you use a strategy that requires two moving averages to cross, like a 50 and a 200 for a golden cross, you don't need to stare at the screen waiting for it to happen. TradingView has a built-in indicator that mechanically marks the moment they intersect. Go up to the top toolbar on TradingView and click the Indicators button. Search for MA cross. This stands for moving average cross, and then click on it. Instead of just drawing two messy lines, this specific tool places a distinct color-coded plus symbol directly above or below your candlestick at the exact moment the fast moving average crosses the slow moving average. Now, by default, it tracks the 9 and the 21. Just double click the plus symbols on your chart to open the settings menu. Under the Inputs tab, you can completely customize the short and long lengths to match whatever specific moving averages you actually care about tracking. Have a great day, guys.